With Volvo, better machine uptime is more than a promise. When you're out there, machines operating, projects running, the last thing you need is a surprise. Volvo's advanced condition monitoring keeps your operations one step ahead. Care track monitors, active care anticipates, fluid analysis prevents, and inspections maintained, creating a seamless cycle protection for your fleet. Problems are identified before they cause breakdowns. That means less downtime, fewer disruptions, and teams that stay focused on the job, not the issues. Behind the peace of mind is a reliable system. Everything's running, everyone's in sync. Even the coffee break is earned, because reliability isn't just built, it's maintained. From the field to the control room, everything is connected. Your data, your machines, your team.